Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will explain you Moto G Play. Okay, let's start the video. Like and subscribe and click the bell icon. Moto G Play 2023 3-day battery unlocked, made for US 330 seconds gigabyte 16 MP camera, navy blue. Carrier compatibility: AT&T, VoLTE, Verizon, VoLTE, T-Mobile, VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, video calling, TracFone, Optimum Mobile, GSM, CDMA. Does not support Xfinity Wireless Spectrum. For all carrier compatibility details, please check the product images in detail. Optical sensor resolution, 13 megapixels. Maximum display resolution, HD+, 1600 by 720, 269 ppi. The display type, IPS TFT LCD. Form factor, smartphone. Other camera description: 13 MP plus 2 MP triple camera, 5 MP selfie camera, 6.5-inch HD plus display. Bring your favorite content to life on a stunning ultra-wide screen. Up to 3-day battery. Leave your power worries behind thanks to a massive 5,000 milliamp hours battery. 16 MP triple camera system. Capture professional looking portraits, take extreme close-ups, and focus in the blink of an eye. Like the video and subscribe and click the bell icon. 32 gigabytes built-in storage. Get plenty of room for photos, movies, songs, and apps. And add up to 512 gigabytes more with a microSD card. Water repellent design. Keep your phone safe from accidental spills and splashes. Fingerprint reader. Unlock your phone instantly using only your fingerprint. Inbox. Moto G Play 2023. 32 gigabytes memory unlocked. 10W charger, USB cable, guides, SIM tool. Buy now link in description and first comments pinned. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will explain you Moto G Play. Okay, let's start the video. Like and subscribe and click the bell icon.